Over there. So we know this is a juvenile from that striped tail. The bands on that tail doesn't have a red tail like the adults have. And the adults typically have more of a solid white on the front. Not completely, but this has quite a bit of dappling on it. So this bird got snared by its back talon there, its back toe. Let's see if we can, may just need to clip it to get it unhooked. I'm gonna slide her right down in there. We have her feet stuck out the bottom. There you go. You know, as heaviest is best. So I usually do grams. So I'd like to see over 1,000 grams. But I think this is a male. Yeah. 883. So it's a male. Good looking though. All right. All right. Well, tell them when they don't have a bird in a month or two, not to ask me for any help. Okay. All right. This is a male, and tell that from weighing him, he weighed 883 grams. So I'm looking for a female. And they'll run, good sized female run around 12, probably trapping weight. So not what we're after. So we're gonna spray him down for mites, so that little pest control on him, and then we'll throw him back.